Today I am going to explain about decomposition tree in Power BI. So first I'll explain what is decomposition tree and then I'll show that visual how we'll apply. So the decomposition tree visual in Power BI let you visualize data across multiple dimensions. It automatically aggregates data and enable drilling down into your dimension in any order. Basically, we used for conducting root cause analysis. It is also an AI visualization. So now I'll show how we use. So I already loaded that sheet, that is order sheet. For decomposition in visual, you need to select decomposition tree, this visual. So after that, we need some columns to analyze the data. So for analyze, I am doing as of now I'm doing analyze profit based on reason category, subcategory and sales. So for that, in analyze, you need to put profit. You can drag and drop, and also you can select also. And in explain by, I need to select category, subcategory, sales, and then reasons. Mm, Yeah. So basically, this is based on profit. I want to show that category, subcategory, reasons, and their sales. So these are the starting point of a decomposition tree because I want to analyze profit. So it will show sum of profit. If you click on plus sign, you will get many options like high value, low value, category, subcategory. These are the column which I have selected. You can see as in this, it's like category, subcategory, reason, sales. And these are the AY split. So based on AY, it can give high value and low value. So first I'll show you based on that category which I wanted. So first profit I wanted based on category, reason, sorry. So this is that profit based on reason it's showing. Then in reason I selected category. So in west reason these all are the category, and in that category these are the sales. So this it's like tree composition. So profit based on the reason and then category and sales. So if you want a AY split, so you build visual, you go to format visual in analysis. You can see that enable AI split is enabled. That's why we can see that high value and low value option. I'll show if I disable this, you can't see that high value and low value. That means both are that AY visualization. So just enable that and then select high visual. So you can see AI suggested the category in that technology of office supply and furniture. After that, again high value, then subcategory. Yeah. So you can see in analysis type, this is absolute. So absolute is nothing but independent value. So like profit based on category, subcategory, and reason. In this, that one more option that is relative, and that is partial or dependent value based on your fields. In format visualization, there are many options other than this, like tree. You can set the density of tree. Like as of now, it's default. You can set it dense. Another one is sparse. Then connector also. You can change the shape of connector. It's basically for like visual part, like how your decomposition visual looks. After that, bars. It's like top node. In scale 2 there are three options, that is top node, parent node, and level node. So default is like level maximum. Then you can change the color of that positive bar. As of now it's blue, so if you want you can change it, this one. And negative you can give So these all are for that color. Then category. In category label is basically value. You can change the font color, font size, text, all those things. If you want bold, then you can press on this B icon. And if you want underline, just select that underline. Next one is values. Same for value. Uh, Values, if you want to change the font color, display unit, all those things. Again with the header the uh, font, if you want to change. If you want to add subtitle, then just enable that, otherwise disable. If I disable that, you can see that subtitle here, before it's like category technology means the highest one. If I disable this, you can't see that subtitle. Yeah, so that's it. That's all about decomposition tree.